Hello, this is a 420i Grand Coupe. Today we have retrofit this NBT EVO system ID6. Okay, original NBT, the latest version. Okay, the navigation system. You can see the interface is like this. Okay, so you can also toggle the interface by this way. By 6 button, okay, and you can also use your finger to touch the screen. Okay, touch the screen. You can move the screen. You can also use the finger to key in the address, like enter new destination, like address import, like key in the postcode 658064, right? Then we can start road guidance. That's
Please
it.
follow the arrow on the display. When leaving, please turn left.
Yeah, actually we set the destination same as our current location, so you will see like this. And from this inside this interactive map view, you can see from here, right? You can also see this additional information. You can put the weather, or the satellite image, and the traffic event, traffic flow, all integrated. Traffic information, real-time traffic, right? Okay, and this is a routing strategy change. You can change the routing by different way, alternative or Eco Pro, and the fastest. Okay, let's set our destination to the Changi Airport. Okay, for our recent destination, we try Changi Airport. Yeah, now it's
Please
fastest.
follow the arrow on the display. When leaving, please go straight on.
Okay, we can see from here we have a traffic sign, and there's a plus 4 minutes. That means the traffic will delay 4 minutes. Okay, because of the traffic. Yeah, and we can use this route to see alternative. We can see here, if you want to avoid this traffic, you maybe travel more, plus 25 petrol, and surely you will if you take this one is a 30 kilometer, this is 35 kilometer, so it's obviously you can decide by yourself. Okay, this is a new thing for this EVO system. And inside the connected drive, you will see these things. One interesting thing is the weather and the online search. Okay, you can search the postcode from Google, and also you can search the company name or whatever name you like. For example, you want to search my company name, but for example postcode, then we can use our postcode 658. Right, actually it's 658064, and you can toggle here. You will see, and then you can once we searched, we can start the guidance. Okay, and we can also search the EleBest, because we have searched a bit before, so we just take the shortcut. Okay, you can see from here it's 0 kilometer because we are here now. Okay, you can see very clearly the information, my telephone number. If you want to make any reservation, you can call me instantly, and you can see our operating time, operating hours, and also our website and our rating, right? Okay, you can send this information to your friends by email also, right? It's just type the email address. You can recommend my company or recommend the place you are searching to your friends by sending email. Okay, the sender will be your connected drive email address. Okay, inside my vehicle, actually there are a lot of vehicle settings, right? Like vehicle setting, lighting, door speed, everything is still working like usual. So the iDrive setting, you can set the touchpad, the date and time and song, yeah, everything. Okay, And for this media, you can see this is the you can play a lot of things, FM music collection in the hard disk, and this is a Carplay music, and the USB thumb drive you can play the video. Yeah, we turn down the volume a bit. This is a full screen videos you can play, and even you're driving we can turn it on. Okay. Okay, CD, you can play CD, sure, you can play DVD also. And in the same time, if you are using the Android phone, you can use the screen mirroring if you want to add device by the screen mirroring. Okay, sorry. Then the snap-in will be extra. Okay, so if you manage mobile devices, you can see my phone is already paired. So we have so many options. You can use Apple CarPlay or you just use telephone or whatever. This is the Apple CarPlay. Now we can turn to the Apple CarPlay. Okay, turn left, Apple CarPlay. The Apple CarPlay is coming out. You can see the WhatsApp is newly launched in the Apple CarPlay. And also the message, telephone, the map with the real-time traffic, and the Siri activated by your steering wheel button over here. Okay, you press and hold, you turn on the Siri. Navigate to Changi Airport.
Getting directions to Singapore Changi Airport.
Yeah, you can install quite a lot of apps which supported by the Apple CarPlay. Not only these few, maybe around 40 to 50 apps you can play around, like those online music, online radio. Okay. Yeah, this is then you can go. And we can stop.
Starting route to Singapore Changi Airport.
Okay. And the original navigation, you can press the navy button by the iDrive. You can also press once, not press and hold. Press once to activate the original voice control. Let's try. Find postcode.
Could you repeat that, please?
Enter postcode.
Please say the postcode.
658064.
658064.
Yes.
658064.
Start.
Route guidance has been started.
Okay, this is how the voice control enter the postcode work, right? And we also can take a look at the reverse camera view. The reverse camera looks like this, slightly different from the previous version. Yeah, you can also turn on this parking assist if your car comes with this feature, and this brightness and contrast and a parking guideline and obstacle detector. And you can also do setting like auto PDC activation. Okay, this is the reverse camera. Okay, next thing is communication. This is all the communication stuff. And this is a notification if your car got something wrong. For example, I open the door, right, door open, right? Yeah, this is a whole roughly whole idea of this NBT EVO system, right? Okay, you can see clearly the different car is different car photo, car logo. Okay, this is the current weather forecast. And for the instrument cluster, we can see the navigation guidance over here, and we can also see this trip computer. This is destination, arrival timing, and the compass. Yeah, I'm also showing you this connected drive address entry. For example, you can search the address through your phone. Now it's wireless, okay, no cable, but we have paired the Bluetooth and into the car, so you can search this address. For example, we search the postcode 658064. Okay, we find the place, then we can just press go. Okay, the NBT EVO system will show up this start road guidance instantly. Then you just press yes, or someone is calling me, and I can answer the phone call by the button over here. Hello. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.